Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Toyota Sienna's maintenance light. This easy method helps clear the main wrecked indicator after your service. First, get into your Sienna and turn the ignition to the on position. Remember, do not start the engine. If you have a push-button start, press it twice without touching the brake pedal. Now, find the trip meter button on your dashboard. Next, you'll need to cycle through the odometer readings. Press the trip meter button repeatedly until the display shows trip A. This is a crucial step for the reset process to work correctly. Make sure you see trip on your instrument panel. Keep the ignition in the on position, but again, do not start the engine at any point during this step. Now, turn the ignition completely to the OFF position. With the ignition off, press and hold the trip meter button. Keep holding it down firmly. While still holding the button, turn the ignition back to the on position. It's important not to start the engine. Just turn the key to on or press the start button twice without the brake. Continue holding the trip meter button. You will see a series of dashes appear on the odometer display, which will then flash and disappear. Once the display returns to showing your normal odometer reading, you can release the button. The maintenance required light should now be off, indicating a successful reset. You've done it. Your Sienna is ready for the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.